Hey there, tech-savvy dreamers, ready to turn your passion into profit using the magic of technology? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to monetizing your hobbies and interests online. Did you know that your creativity can be your biggest asset in the digital world? It's time to leverage that creativity and make money doing what you love. Imagine waking up every day feeling excited about your work because it aligns with your passion. Well, it's not just a dream anymore. One of the coolest ways to monetize your passion is by creating digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or even digital artwork. Thanks to technology, selling your creations online has never been easier. No storefronts, no middlemen, just you and your audience. And don't forget about the power of social media. It's not just for sharing memes and cat videos. Use platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your work and attract a loyal following. Speaking of followers, building a strong personal brand is key to standing out in the crowded digital space. Let your unique voice shine through in everything you do. We're living in the age of online marketplaces. Etsy, Shopify, and even Amazon can help you reach potential customers far and wide. But wait, there's more. Have you considered starting a blog or blog to share your expertise and grow your influence in your niche? And let's not forget about the power of affiliate marketing. Partnering with brands that align with your values can be a win-win for everyone involved. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming ideas, get creative, and watch your passion transform into profit with the help of technology. Ready to take the next step? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe at Joke Motivation YouTube channel for more tips on turning your passion into profit in the digital age. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you combine your passion with the right tech tools. So go out there and make your mark on the digital world.